Welcome to Noble Pearls Travel Agent, customizing retreat cruises, rejuvenating the souls of ministry leaders. Our personalized services are designed for Christian leaders, mentors, and counselors in faith-based ministries. Hi, I'm Tricia Harmon, the founder of Noble Pearls Travel. As a faith-based travel agent, we specialize in customizing retreat cruises that rejuvenate the body, soul, mind, and spirit. As a former burned out, unhealthy, and one hot mess spiritual leader, I understand firsthand the mental, emotional, and spiritual toll ministry takes. As a result, I've spent years recovering and discovering biblical principles, producing optimized health. One thing I've learned over the years is that we must be intentional about taking time for our own self-care. It must create benefits that outlast the retreat itself. Here's another confession. Another spiritual conference isn't always as relaxing or rejuvenating of the mind and body as we'd hoped for. And for those who have a spouse, family, and/or a team of professionals who also need a retreat, it's a lot of work, energy, and research that goes into planning and preparing for such a special undertaking and memorable getaway. Most often, we just do what everyone else is doing or recommending, only to find that it was way too much added work and stress, wasn't quite what we needed, nor have the lasting impact that revitalizes us. I mean, listen, how many times have we heard vacationers come home and declare that they need a vacation after all that vacationing, right? That's why I founded Noble Pearls Travel. My purpose and mission is to help you create a retreat that is truly transformational, a retreat that will help you and even your family and team rejuvenate your body, mind, soul, and spirit, restore your passion for life, family, and ministry, connect with other spiritual leaders who understand what you are going through, and gain new insights and resources you need to thrive until your next retreat cruise. Noble Pearls Travel offers many benefits for booking your retreat cruise with us, like an all-inclusive itinerary and amenities aboard a well-vetted world-class cruise line, chef-prepared cuisine that is both delicious, healthy, and served right to you, a faith-based value environment where you can relax and be yourself, amazingly relaxing spa services, pools, and activities where you can unwind and have fun. How about shore excursions that will expose you to new culture and experiences? There's even private space on the ship for gatherings with other believers in Christ to worship, sing, pray, and take in great messages. We offer a direct payment portal, so no money or personal information is unprotected. And we offer select pay-as-you-go options until the final payment is due. All of this without you having to lift a finger or be in charge of anything extra. Noble Pearls Travel will take care of all the planning and logistics, so you can just get excited, share and invite those you want to travel with, relax, and enjoy your retreat. And the best part is, our services are at no extra cost to you. We will do all the work of planning for you, including being available as a personal travel guide for you and your group of 10 or more once on the ship. That means no surprises, no feeling lost or overwhelmed once embarked, no added responsibilities, no stress. If you're ready to start planning your transformational retreat, contact Noble Pearls Travel today for a free consultation. We are honored to help you create a retreat that will change your life. Visit our website at noblepearlstravel.com and follow us at Noble Pearls Travel. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation. We can't wait to help you start planning your next retreat cruise for your own self-care.